Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a DevOps engineer at a medical imaging software company, and I give Google Forms a 5 out of 5. My company originally ended up using Google Forms in our personal Google accounts. We had tried using competing products like SurveyMonkey, and we found that they were really flexible, but probably more flexible than we actually needed. And they were expensive. Something like Google Forms was bundled in with G Suite. And so whenever we decided to switch to G Suite, we were really looking forward to trying it out on a company level. We ended up going with Google Forms company-wide because it gives us the flexibility that we need without being too flexible. There's such a thing as having too much choice in a survey product, and a lot of the time, we just want to get quick feedback. Google Forms simplicity allows us to do this, and being able to record the feedback directly to our Google Drive storage made an additional difference as well. Getting people started with Google Forms wasn't difficult because we had already used it in our personal Google accounts, both within the company and without. We had found in our personal lives that Google Forms was really simple to set up, so there wasn't really a lot of additional onboarding necessary. We got started with the basic level features, and then we moved on to some additional add-ons later on to sort of flesh it out. Like we wanted to know whenever somebody filled out a form, so we would get an add-on to do that. That was really as simple as looking through the marketplace, figuring out what people wanted to do, and getting a list of add-ons. Other than that, it was pretty straightforward. If you're thinking about Google Forms, the best advice I can give you is consider the cost, consider the flexibility, consider what people want to do, and what value it provides, just having the basic features you need without getting too overly complex. Google Forms is not perfect for everything, but it's good for about 90% of what the typical person would want to do. It's bundled within G Suite, and it has great integrations with other G Suite services. Overall, I think it's a really great value to consider.